Hey there, golf lovers! Welcome back to Info on Travel. Today, I'm taking you on an exciting journey through the sun-soaked greens of Arizona. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I've got something special for you. Arizona is home to some of the most beautiful and challenging golf courses in the world. The combination of stunning desert landscapes and meticulously maintained greens makes it a golfer's paradise. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the fundamentals of golf. Golf is all about precision, patience, and practice. The key elements are your grip, stance, and swing. Nailing these basics will set you up for success on any course. Now, let's explore 7 sensational courses right here in Arizona. 1. TPC Scottsdale. Known for hosting the Waste Management Phoenix Open, this course offers a thrilling experience with its stadium-like atmosphere and challenging holes. 1. Troon North Golf Club. Nestled in the Sonoran Desert, Troon North features 2 18-hole courses that are both visually stunning and technically demanding. 1. Wecopa Golf Club. With breathtaking views of the McDowell Mountains in the Sonoran Desert, Wecopa offers a serene yet challenging golfing experience. 1. Boulders Resort and Spa. This course is famous for its unique boulder formations and luxurious amenities, making it a must-visit for any golfer. 1. Grayhawk Golf Club. Known for its challenging layout and beautiful scenery, Grayhawk is a favorite among both locals and visitors. 1. Quintero Golf Club. This course offers a unique blend of challenging holes and stunning desert views, making it a top choice for serious golfers. 1. Ak-Chin Southern Dunes. Known for its excellent facilities and challenging layout, this course is a favorite among competitive golfers. Each of these courses offers a unique golfing experience. Whether it's the breathtaking views or the challenging fairways, you're in for a treat. Now let's talk about some common mistakes every golfer makes and how to avoid them. First, improper grip. Make sure your grip is firm but not too tight. Second, incorrect stance. Your feet should be shoulder width apart, and your weight should be evenly distributed. Third, overthinking. Relax and trust your swing. Overthinking can lead to tension and mistakes. Fourth, poor club selection. Choose the right club for the shot. Don't just rely on your favorite club. Fifth, neglecting the short game. Spend time practicing your putting and chipping. It can make a huge difference in your score. Avoid these pitfalls and you'll see an immediate improvement in your game. And now, for my favorite part, expert tips to elevate your golfing skills. First, focus on your grip. A proper grip can significantly improve your control and accuracy. Second, practice drills. Regular practice drills can help you develop muscle memory and improve your consistency. Third, plan your shots. Take the time to plan your shots and visualize the outcome. This can help you make better decisions on the course. Fourth, stay relaxed. Tension can ruin your swing. Stay relaxed and enjoy the game. Fifth, celebrate your progress. Keep track of your improvements and celebrate your successes. This will keep you motivated and focused. These tips will help you play smarter and lower those scores. Before I wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and want more golf content, make sure to subscribe to Info on Travel. You'll get all the latest on golf destinations, tips, and more. And always check the description area for special offers. God bless you and yours. Thanks for tuning in, and happy golfing in Arizona. May God bless you.